If students are going to be manufacturing their designs, then it is important that they think through and document relevant product manufacturing information, or PMI. This means including more than just part dimensions. PMI can also include geometric dimensions and tolerances, manufacturing annotations, surface finishes, welding notes, and material specifications. Traditionally, this information has been conveyed through 2D drawings created after the model is complete. Creating 2D drawings from 3D parts and including the relevant PMI can be a laborious and error-prone process. Once views are laid out, dimensions, notes, and GD&T data are added. Then, the drawings are printed to be sent to the manufacturer. As engineering evolves, these traditional processes are being replaced by more efficient and reliable digital workflows, such as model-based definition, or MBD. With MBD, product manufacturing data is embedded right into the 3D models and can be added during the design process rather than at the end. This enables students to consider design intent and document manufacturing notes while they design. For years, MBD has been difficult to introduce into the classroom because it required costly and clunky software add-ons. Onshape MBD is now seamlessly integrated for free into the Onshape interface. As students work, they can choose which dimensions to make tolerant, and they can easily pick datums and tolerancing schemes. As more schools build makerspaces and add manufacturing concepts to their learning objectives, Onshape MBD is an essential tool. With MBD, PMI stays with its student documents and evolves with their designs. No more need to create and print 2D drawings for manufacturing. With manufacturing information connected directly to the 3D models, it is always up to date, even as teams collaborate and designs change. As industries continue shifting from drawing-centric to digital, model-centric approaches, Onshape stands out as the best tool for teaching this fundamental change.